Welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to show you how I created this perspective pop out with the word climb. Just one favor before we get started. If you learn anything in this tutorial, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so that you're the first to be notified when new content comes out. All right, let's get started. All right, so I am starting off with a YouTube thumbnail, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my side panel and I'm going to look for an app called Typecraft. This is what it looks like right here. I'm going to click it and I'm going to customize my Typecraft app. So in text, I'm going to type in all caps, climb. For the font, I'm going to come into the font area and I am going to change it to this font called Achin 123. It almost sounds like achoo. Okay, so I'm going to go back and this is the preview that I'm getting. And what I want to do is I kind of want to create a perspective with the word climb. So I'm just going to grab the middle part here and I'm going to bring that up a little bit. And then I'm going to choose the horizontal mirror because I want this side and this side to come up together. And I'm going to grab one side and I'm just going to move it up and in to create a perspective like that. Now let's place that on our workspace and see what that looks like. Okay, that's okay. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm actually going to change the color to white. And I'll update my element. Okay, perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually come back up to my side panel. We're going to go into elements and I'm going to place a rectangle on my workspace. I'm going to change the color of this rectangle to black and I'm just going to make it as wide as my text. I'm going to move it to the back. And I'm just going to crop it because I only want it to be as big as the text. I think that's fine like that. And I'm going to grab both of those and make that a little bit larger like that. And I'm going to go to share. I'm going to download this and I'll download. I'm going to create another page here. And I'm going to bring in that image that I just downloaded, which is right here. All right, so we're going to take this image once it's finished uploading, and we're going to go into BG Remover. We're going to remove the background. Okay, let's go back in and check just to make sure. Yes, perfect. And I'll just crop that a little bit like that, and I'll just place that here for now. I'm going to go into elements and I'm going to grab some recently used items. So here is one. This is an image of people hiking. And so here is that image right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a copy of this image and I'm going to remove the background on the image that's sitting on top. So here it is right here. I'm going to grab this other image here that we brought in. That's the text or the mask that we created. And I'm going to move it up. And I'm just going to place this right on top. Like that. And I'm just going to stretch that out a little bit more. I'll move this image down a little bit. And I'm going to grab the image on top. And I'm just going to move it to sit or overlap on the image that's sitting in below. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crop it so that it appears as if that image of this man is actually below the text. And I'll leave it like that. I'm going to grab this text now and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the color to white. So I'll click edit. I'll go into duotone and I'm going to select the custom duotone option. And I'm going to change the shadow to white. And I'm also going to change the highlights to white like that. All right. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to grab some more sky or clouds. And I'll just crop that like that and place that here. And I'll move that in behind the man. So I'll just move it backwards a little bit like that. And now I'm going to search for a white gradient that I can place in here to just soften that line. So I'm going to choose this one right here. And I'm just going to place it right along the perimeter of the word climb. And I'll just take another copy of that and I'll put it on, I'll continue it along the side. And again, I'm going to grab these two and I'm going to push them in behind that man. And that's about it. I hope that you enjoyed creating this perspective pop out with me. If you did, press that like button, press subscribe, turn that notification bell on. And if you want to learn more about Canva, join my YouTube channel membership. For now, my friends, I'm going to say bye-bye until next time. And if there's anything else that you want to see, drop that in the comments. Bye for now.